What is going on, you guys? It's JFBoosted, and today I will be installing my bags. Yes, a lot of people are probably excited on me installing my bags, but it's gonna happen today. And what I'm gonna be doing is basically install the front bag setup first and then do the rear, because the rear is a little more work, but the front's basically bolt on, and that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is, like I said, fronts. I'm gonna have to remove the hood, take out the shock, lower control arms, upper control arms, and spring load, the big block spring. But yeah, you guys stay tuned and we're gonna be getting to this. Yep. So once it comes in, I'll be ready. Well, you guys, I'm not really done yet into finishing the front end. Yes, I've been going out a lot, and I left my camera recording when I went out, so I'm about to have a dead battery, and you know, I guess I'm gonna stop for now because I don't want to record and then find out that it's dead. So I'm gonna go ahead, charge it, import the videos I made, which aren't a lot, and continue with the progress of installing my bags. What is up, you guys? It is day 2 on installing the bags.
Man, you coming along? No? You have to go on the back.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's JFBoosted.
I am JFBoosted.